Okay, so we have my customer's gorgeous hutch, and we're going to be painting it in 3 different colors. Putty on the inside, seaside on the outside, and then the legs are going to be chocolate. So, can you envision it with me? It's going to be gorgeous. Chris went ahead and made some of the fretwork that was missing. So obviously there. And then he put in this little guy. I have wood putty because I didn't like the seams showing, so then I went ahead and sealed up the seams, and he made these. So he made these out of wood, so they're all real wood. I didn't have to do any sort of like casting and making a mold or anything. And so this is some veneer that needed some repairs. So yeah, we're just gonna make this baby shine. It's so pretty. So here's some more fretwork. This goes in the door here. This was a lot of fun getting the glass out of this. So yeah, let's get some painting done. So I needed to make a lip right here because when the door is inserted, it actually sits behind here. There's another lip here, and I painted this part and I was like, it's still not far back enough. So if you can kind of see, the door sits behind this piece. So this needed to be blue. It was white, and then now it needed to be blue. So I put this piece of tape here, and then I've got 3 coats on that. So I'm gonna take it off now so that the tape or the paint is still wet. So you wanna make sure that you take your tape off when the paint is still wet, because if you let it dry, that's not good. So this is gonna be difficult, isn't it? So put that up there. And come on, my fingers don't wanna work anymore. All right, so let's pull this up. So, because we really want a clean line, we don't want to take our paint off, our white paint. It's okay, that's just for the decal there, the little holes. This is such a cool piece, you guys. I love it. Look at that. Nice and clean. It's looking so good. So let's get, oh, so pretty. Look at that. Just needs a few little detailed touch-ups. But yeah, it looks gorgeous.